Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to turn on shuffle option on Spotify without premium. So simply first of all click on the Spotify app. So here you can see we have opened this app. So this is the main interface of app. So what we need to do, just you have to select the album, like I am typing here the artist name Eminem. So simply click here. So here when you click on this option, so here you can see the shuffle option is not available. So you have to understand that you cannot turn on the shuffle option on Spotify without subscribing the premium package. So what you need to do, just go back here, you can subscribe the package, and after subscribing the package you can turn this option on. In some older version of Spotify you can turn on the shuffle option without premium, but now this is the latest version 2022, so in this version you cannot turn on shuffle option without subscribing the package.